Mr. President, you had promised us a precision handling of our government, and that you would use a scalpel to trim our budget, and then you brought out the sawed-off shotgun, and you went berserk with it. Now, what I want you to do with that shotgun is you take the shells out and hide them somewhere. You take that shotgun and put it in the closet. Maybe set Michelle's $5,000 purse on top of it, and there's $800 shoes. You know, just kind of tuck them around it so that nobody can see that shotgun. And then get your scalpel out and then just start using it.